Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Today we are going to learn about Standard 10 Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 3, Linear Equation in Two Variables. So, in previous lecture in Zoom, we completed up to question number 1, which is of the substituting method, exercise 3.4. And in next lecture we are going to learn about the question number 2 from the pair of the linear equation in the following problems and find the solution if they exist by the elimination method. So first word problem is, if we added 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. What is the fraction? This kind of the word problem we are going to conduct in the next Zoom lectures. So as soon as possible, please please join the Zoom classes. And second, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri was be twice and as old as Sonu. So in this kind of example, we have to just make the equation of linear equation that is having a two variables and find out the how old Nuri and Sonu is there. And after, the sum of the digit of a two numbers is 9, and also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by the reversing the order of the digits, and find the numbers. Then after, Meena went to the bank. So Meena went to the bank and withdrew rupees 2000, and she asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. So Meena got 25 notes in all. So find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So in this kind of examples we are going to conduct in Zoom lectures. So you have to must be join the Zoom class in next lectures. Otherwise you are not able to learn these word problems. Okay. So I repeat it, you must have to join Zoom classes. Then after, fifth question, a leading library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for the each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for a 7 days, while Susi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for a 5 days, and find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra days. So in this way, x plus y upon y minus 1 is equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to 2. Then after, x upon y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. In this way we got the y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Hence the fraction is 3 upon 5. So how to make the equation, which I going to teach you in next Zoom classes. And for the second, here there are two equations which we got, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. Then after, we have to just find out the value of x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 20 years. Then in the third equation, 10y plus x is our nourishing number. This is also very most IMP question. And second is minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. That is second equation. So in this way we can get the answer. Then after, next, let the number rupees 50 notes and rupees 100 notes. So here the sum of the x plus y is 25, so that is our first equation. And then after 50x plus 100y, that is a 2000, that is our second equation. So in this way we got the first 2 and 3 equations are there. And then after 50y is equal to 750, so y is equal to 15 over here. Then after fifth, let the fixed charge for the first 3 days and each day charge thereafter be rupees x and y respectively. So x plus y 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y is equal to 21. So this kind of fixed charge and variable charge example also we can solve by using this method. So let's we know about that in next lecture. Then after exercise 3.5, in this exercise we are going to use the cross multiplication method. So what is cross multiplication method? This is our third method. First method is graphical method, second method is substituting method, okay, third method is subtraction method, and this is our fourth method, that is a cross multiplication method. By using these four methods you can solve any kind of linear equation in two variables, okay. So you must have good knowledge and good practice about the graphical methods, then after substituting method, then after subtraction method, and then after you have cross multiplication. These four methods are most IMP, and one or two example of this chapter are must be in the exam, okay. Board exam they will ask this kind of question also. So you are be prepared mindly that you have to do this four method perfectly. So exercise 3.5, that is first question, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. तो वो मेथड क्या है वो डीपली हम तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में ही पढ़ेंगे, मगर एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू इवेल्युएट value of a1 upon a2 by using the two equations. So a1 upon a2, that is a 1 by 3, and b1 upon b2, that is a 1 upon 3, and c1 upon c2, that is a 3 by 2. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. In this way we have to first justify the first three conditions which are follow or not. If that is not follow, then we have to go for the further. For the second, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 or b2, so there is a one solution, then and then we are going to ahead. If there is a no solution, then not is a we have not to do the next solutions, okay. So x upon b1 upon c b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c2 a1 a2 and c2 a1. So this equation we are going to evaluate in our next classes. So this is general overview about the chapter which is left to teach. And 3x minus 5 is equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y. Here also we have to do, there are three kind of lines. First one is intersecting line, second one is parallel line, and third one is coincident line. So for these three line we have to find out the solution for this method, okay. So cross multiplication is useful for these three methods also. Then after next question number 2, this is a word problem for which value a and b will be follow pair of linear equation have infinite number of solution. So in the first 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and in the next a minus b into x and a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2, okay. So 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and then after this is quite difficult example to solve, and it's a calculation having also difficult. So how can we solve? I will teach you in next lectures. Okay, thank you so much.